Welcome to this positive, uplifting, energy-boosting meditation. There is nothing you need to do right now. This is your time. And when you're done, you'll feel a shift like never before. Right now, in this very moment, your life is about to change. Your whole existence, everything you've become, and everything you'll ever be comes down to the voice in your head and the conversations you have with yourself. So today, we're going to change your self-talk, change your energy, and change your life. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's about stepping beyond the limitations of your past and literally thinking yourself into a new state of being. So make sure you're as warm and comfortable as possible. Releasing and relaxing all of your muscles, your face, neck. Relax your shoulders and arms. Tune into a sense of comfort wherever it is, however small. Allow it to ripple throughout every cell in your being. Now take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathe in and visualize positive energy coming in through the top of your head. Breathe out and imagine that positive energy flowing through your body, all the way down and pushing out any negative energy out through your toes. Breathe in love and positive energy, and breathe out. Let all that positive energy run through you, flowing down from your head, clearing out any negative energy or thoughts that no longer serve you. With this, you're giving yourself an energetic cleanse. Installing a new, high vibrational energy. Being aware of your energy and learning to control it is a skill that can change the direction of your whole day, and in time, the direction of your life. You can shape today in any way you like. And today, I call forth into my life a mindset of gratitude and possibility, allowing me to let go and simply be. Behind my softly closed eyelids, I discover an endless space of happiness. A gentle, soft expanse of darkness that provides peace and invites stillness into my soul, knowing I'm exactly where I need to be. As I inhale deeply, a wave of energy flows through me, awakening every cell in my body. I feel the pulse of life begin as I breathe in, filling me with clarity and awareness. As it passes through my body, legs, and into my feet. With each exhale, I let go of all that no longer serves me. In this state, I am fully present, fully alive, and fully attuned to the wholeness of my being. As I follow my breath in and out, I see myself perfectly placed within the grand design of all existence, at one and deeply connected to the rhythms of life and the universe. In every moment and every detail of life, I discover beauty and wonders to cherish. I notice the marvel of a tiny raindrop balancing on a blade of grass, the warmth of sunlight spilling through a forest, the kindness in a stranger's smile that feels like a gift just for me. Life overflows with hidden treasures, and I see them all. I welcome them with an open heart. Gratitude fills me, expanding my capacity to receive abundance in all its forms. Here and now, I surrender to the flow of life. I accept everything just as it is, trusting that I am where I am meant to be and that everything will come to me at the right time. Through appreciation, understanding, and trust, I nurture my inner peace and prepare the ground for joy to grow. Today, I choose to plant seeds of endless possibility. I open my heart to opportunity and let new paths reveal themselves, guiding me towards my highest purpose. I will open the door and walk through to my best life. I am ready to step into the fullness of my potential, embracing the power within me to shape my destiny. I will navigate any challenges that comes my way. As I gently return my awareness to my breath, I sense the tranquil space behind my closed eyes. Slowly, the light of the world will begin to seep in, carrying with it hope and renewal. When I do open my eyes, I am grounded, radiant, and filled with peace. I am here, alive in this moment, ready to embrace life with a heart open to joy. This feeling has always been inside of me and is always available anytime I need it. I'm excited to see life through a new lens. Appreciate everything I have. Ready for every miracle in front of me. I am raising my vibrations, and in turn the vibrations of all around me. The energy I give out acts as a magnetic force, shaping my reality around me. Like a mirror reflecting my inner vibration, the universe echoes the frequency that I project. When I express love, kindness, and authenticity, I invite the same back into my life, creating a harmonious exchange. I feel a profound connection to the infinite potential within me. Every breath reminds me of the boundless energy I hold. The power to create, to heal, and to transform. I see a version of me that radiates confidence, love, and peace. This version of me is already living the life I dream of. I feel the shift as I embody this new energy. I am no longer waiting for change. I am the change. Every thought I choose becomes a building block for my reality. I remind myself that I have the ability to redirect my mind towards positivity, resilience, and strength. This power is mine, and it is limitless. As I tune into the energy around me, I sense the universe supporting me, guiding me, and cheering me on. I know that I am never alone, and I trust the process completely. I allow gratitude to flow freely through me. Gratitude for lessons that I've learned, the challenges I've overcome, and the possibilities that lie ahead. With each moment of thankfulness, my heart opens wider, creating space for even more abundance to enter my life. Now, I visualize light surrounding me, a brilliant golden glow that extends beyond my physical body. This light is my energy, my essence, and my contribution to the world. I let it shine brightly, knowing it touches everyone and everything I encounter. As this meditation comes to a close, I feel a deep sense of renewal. My energy is elevated, my heart is full, and my mind is clear. I am ready to step back into the world with purpose and intention. I carry with me the knowledge that I am powerful, I am loved, and I am enough. When I open my eyes, I will see the world anew, filled with opportunities, beauty, and endless potential. take one more deep breath in and release. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to this moment. You are exactly where you need to be. You are ready to shine.